Hi, I'm Erlin Alicia Fauzia Prachipto. I'm from 9E and my number is 12.
Hello, my name is Areta Nisa Ramadeni and from 9E number 5. Hi, what are you doing?
Hi, I'm practicing for a singing competition tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I also have math competition tomorrow.
Oh, really? Where will be the math competition at?
That's cool. How about you?
At the singing hall.
Good luck. I hope that you will be the champion.
Thank you, you too.
The next day. How was your competition?
It was great, but sadly I wasn't be the champion. I won at the second place. How about you?
I won at the first place.
Congratulations for being the champion. But I wish I could be the champion too.
It's okay, you did well. Congratulations for winning the second place.
Thank you.
Another day.
Wow, you're so good at singing, but I hope that you can practice more.
Thank you, but I wish I were you. You're so good at singing. What should I do to thank you?
Thank you, but can you teach me math, please?
Sure.
Oh my god, that is so hard. I hope that I can be as smart as you.
No, you're already smart, but I hope you keep practicing.
I will.
Good luck.
Oh no, I should go home. My mom is waiting for me.
Yeah, see you. Bye.